Hello all, welcome to my channel Gateway to Computer Science. Today in this video, we will be discussing the important topics of operating system with respect to GATE exam. So before going further into the complex topics of operating system, we'll first have to understand what are the basics of operating system. That is the definition of OS, what operating system is, what are the different functions that operating system performs, what are the different types of operating systems and how they are used and where they're used. Apart from that, we'll be learning about processes, what process is, what are the different process states, and how the whole process life cycle works. We will be talking about it. And then further we'll be talking about system call, how it is used for execution of process, how is it important for operating system to execute. And we'll also be talking about user mode, kernel mode, and different system calls like fork system call. And then we'll be talking about threads, what threads are, how are they different from process versus thread, and we'll also be talking about user level versus kernel level threads. Then process scheduling algorithms, we have preemptive and non-preemptive algorithms that we'll be discussing further details in the upcoming videos. We'll talk about first come first serve algorithm, shortest job first, shortest remaining time first, round robin, priority scheduling, multi-level queue scheduling. Then we'll be talking about process synchronization, how various parallel processes will have to synchronize. If not synchronization, how different synchronization problems can take place. What are the different tools to handle the synchronization problems? We'll be discussing it. And then we'll talk about deadlock. What are the various factors that affect deadlock? How can we handle deadlock? How can we avoid deadlock? We'll also be talking about Banker's algorithm. What Banker's algorithm is. Then comes memory management. What is fragmentation, what is paging, how can you avoid it, what are the various paging algorithms. And then comes file system, how the files are arranged in the operating system, what are the different file attributes, what are the different allocation methods. So we'll be talking about each topic in detail in further videos. I'll be making a complete playlist for operating system. If you want to catch up, please subscribe to the channel, and if you find this content useful, please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.